Top-notch choice for those seeking optimal lighting performance for their vehicles. Designed specifically for use with Dodge Durango and Toyota RAV4 models from 2013 to 2015, these bulbs deliver exceptional brightness levels of 36000 lumens. Crafted by Zep, a reputable brand known for quality automotive products, these bulbs come in a set that includes 9005 high beams, 2 bulbs, 9005 low beams, 2 bulbs, and H11 fog lights, 2 bulbs. The compatibility with specific car models ensures a perfect fit and performance. One of the key highlights of these bulbs is their extended operating life of 50000 hours, providing long-lasting illumination without frequent replacements. The 32 volts DC voltage requirement is well suited for efficient energy usage in the vehicle. Installation is a breeze with these headlight bulbs, thanks to their plug-and-play design that eliminates the need for any additional adapters or
are a remarkable choice for enhancing the lighting performance of your Ford Fusion model from 2006 to 2018. With a powerful brightness of 36000 lumens, these bulbs guarantee improved visibility on the road, creating a safer driving experience for you and other road users. The item comes in a universal fit, ensuring compatibility with your vehicle, and the easy installation process takes just 5 minutes, making it hassle-free. Designed to last, these LED bulbs have an impressive operating life of 50000 hours, providing long-term durability and reliability. The efficient cooling design prevents overheating issues, while the one-beam design ensures optimal light distribution without any dark spots, offering consistent and clear lighting output. Additionally, the bulbs are CAN bus ready, eliminating error messages or flickering, further enhancing their performance. The exterior features a polished finish, adding a touch of sophisticatio.
Impressive performance for those seeking advanced lighting solutions. With a brightness of 20000 lumens and a color temperature of 6000 K, this bulb provides exceptional illumination while ensuring a clear and crisp light output. Manufactured by Sino-Parcel, a trusted brand known for quality products, this bulb is designed for specific use as a front-outer automotive headlight bulb. The operating life of 30000 hours ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable choice for those in need of long-lasting lighting solutions. The Sino-Parcel D2S LED bulb is lightweight at 3.84 ounces and compact with product dimensions of 2.75 inches, 3.82 inches, 1.99 inches, making it easy to install in various vehicle models. The item package includes 1 bulb and operates at 12 volts, suitable for a range of automotive applications. Overall, the Sino-Parcel D2S LED bulb, 6000 K, combines efficiency, durability, and performance, making it a top choice for I&D.
Impressive lighting solution that stands out with its remarkable features and technical specifications. Manufactured by Techmax, a reputable brand known for its quality products, this LED bulb is designed for various specific uses, making it a versatile option for different lighting needs. With a brightness of 20000 lumens, the Techmax 9012 bulb ensures powerful illumination that is essential for optimal visibility in various settings. Whether used in automotive applications as an auto part positioned at the front or in other settings requiring bright lighting, this bulb delivers reliable performance. The sleek gray color and compact design of the Techmax 9012 bulb make it an aesthetically pleasing addition to any setup. The item weighs only 4.6 ounces and comes in package dimensions of 4.57 inches, 4.49 inches, 2.32 inches, making it easy to install and handle. Equipped with a voltage rating of 32 volts, the Techmax 9012 bulb offers efficient energy consumption.
2019 to 2021 offers a reliable lighting solution for your vehicle. Manufactured by Huakeds, this product is designed specifically for headlight use, delivering a sleek and polished exterior in silver color that complements the front auto part position of your Jeep Grand Cherokee perfectly. With technical details such as operating at 12 volts and boasting an impressive operating life of 30000 hours, the Huakeds Huo 043 model ensures long-term performance and durability. The item weighs 1.57 pounds and comes in a compact package with dimensions of 7.87 inches, 6.1 inches, 5 inches for easy installation. Whether you're looking to enhance visibility on the road or add a touch of style to your vehicle, the Ford Jeep Grand Cherokee 2019 to 2021 by HUAKEDS is a quality choice that combines functionality with a polished exterior finish.